Prompt formatting is one of the most important, yet often overlooked aspects of working with AI. You can have the right idea and the right words, but if your prompt isn't structured clearly, the AI might misinterpret what you mean. Proper formatting helps you communicate your intent precisely. It's how you teach the AI to think and respond the way you expect. Formatting a prompt is like organizing a conversation. You can guide the AI step by step, define tone, include examples, and set clear instructions. Let's explore the most effective techniques to format your prompts for clarity, consistency, and control. The first technique is clarity through structure. A well-formatted prompt separates ideas into distinct sections. For example, you can start by defining the role of the AI, then outline the task, then describe the tone or format you want. Like this: you are a travel expert. Write a 150-word description of Paris for a travel brochure. Use an inspiring and elegant tone. This structure tells the AI exactly who it is, what to do, and how to sound. The clearer your sections, the more aligned your results will be. The second technique is using lists and bullet points. When you want the AI to follow multiple instructions or compare ideas, break your request into numbered or bulleted steps. For example, list 5 benefits of remote work. For each one, provide a one-sentence explanation. This structure signals the AI to produce an organized output. It's especially useful for educational or business content, where order and consistency matter. The third technique is providing context before the task. Instead of jumping directly into your request, explain the background or purpose. For instance, instead of saying, "Write a post about climate change," say, "You are a science communicator writing a social media post to raise awareness about climate change among young readers." Context helps the AI adapt its language, tone, and focus to fit your audience. Next, use formatting cues like quotation marks, colons, or labels to guide the AI. You can label different parts of your prompt, such as task, goal, or example. Task: write a motivational quote. Goal: inspire professionals facing burnout. Example: every sunrise is proof that second chances exist. These labels help AI models understand which parts of your text are instructions and which are examples to follow. Another technique is show and tell. Instead of only telling the AI what to do, show it what good output looks like. You might write, "Example of an engaging blog introduction. The world of AI is changing faster than ever, and staying ahead requires new skills. Now write one about digital marketing." This approach uses modeling, a powerful way to improve the quality of AI responses. Then comes constraint formatting, where you set clear boundaries. Constraints like write in under 100 words or use only simple language help focus the AI's output. Without limits, AI tends to overproduce or include irrelevant details. Formatting with constraints keeps it sharp and aligned. One of the most effective techniques is step-by-step prompting. Break large tasks into smaller chunks. For example, instead of write a full report on renewable energy, try Step 1. List the main types of renewable energy. Step 2. Explain how each one works. Step 3. Summarize their global impact. This approach makes AI reasoning more logical and the results more structured. Finally, use format indicators for your desired output. If you want a table, list, dialogue, or story, say so. Present your answer in a table, or write the response as a dialogue between 2 characters. When you specify the format, AI knows exactly how to deliver the information. In essence, prompt formatting techniques are about clarity, context, and control. You're designing a blueprint for the AI's thought process. The more structure and direction you provide, the closer the result will be to what you imagine. Remember, every time you write a prompt, you're teaching AI how to communicate with you. A well-formatted prompt doesn't just get better answers, it builds a better partnership between human creativity and machine intelligence.